Embay baking pay, tasol ino quick time true, yu sabi blong wanem. Sapos go di katol geta strong, blong wanem no rausim tasol pasi nongut. Yu wait tasol, embay rausim, ol geta pasi nongut. Yu mino ken go pas logod. Tasol embay rausim o geta pasi nongut, true. 15:24 blo number 1 Corinth. Now finish ikam, time emi bin give him kingdom igolong God. Yes, Papa. Time emi bin putim igo down olgeta namba bilong bosim na olgeta namba na pawa. Long wanem mas bosim kingdom inaplong time emi bin putim olgeta birwa aninit long tupela lek bilongem. Las birwa husat bay bagarapim olgeta dai. Kliya ha. Kod bay bagarapim olgeta. Tasol ino now. Long pinisyet. Iga time God bin makim. Na inogat 1 plus something by come up something nothing. Inogat 1 plus sight by stop. Sorry, because God by make him caught. God by make him save. Longol getaw sight bin him heavy. God by kiss him bake. O gimbel easy. Long olo sight bin kiss him heavy. Because justice blow God. You can read him Thessalonica. Apostle Paul bin talk osem. Time you miluk sabi long emi 1 pela straight pela something 1 time God long bekim pay 1 time big pela heavy igo long ulusat igipimwari long yu pela na long yu pela usat ipilimwari malolo 1 time mi pela time big pela Jesus by ka ma-bless kliya long heaven 1 time all strong pela ensel bilongem long paya light by bekim pe nungut long ulusat ino sabi long God na usat ino behind him good news bilong big pela bilong yumi Jesus Christ. Husat by kisi make him save 1 time bagarap olgeta bilong all time long pace bilong big pela na long glory bilong pawa bilong by bekim pay by bekim pay bilong tingi mo geta pa sinino straight all man bin make him against long narapla. Tasol ino quick time true. You sabi blong wanem. You can read him number 2 Pita 3:9. Big pela ino slek long sight bilong promise bilongem. O sem pela man ikaw nim pasin slek. Tasol karim pen long pela time ikam long yumi. Time nogat like long 1 pela ikenday olgeta. Tasolong olgeta, iken kam long tanim bel. O sem na no make him sabi ariap, like him you can tanim bel. Gim yumi olgeta, inap sons long tanim bel. No like him o sem time you make him sin, 1 to you die. Time you make him sin, you make him wrong, you die. Inogat manusite God ken kisibek. Inogat 1 play inap come up inap true. 133 long sam. Big pela, suppose you makim all sin no good. O big pela, husat by isanap. Husat by napsanap, you milgeta by pudown. Eminim, God sabi lusim sin. Suppose by tingim pasin no good. Inogat manusay by napsanap because you milgeta make him sin. Blong wanem God no kill him you die 1-2 time you been make him sin. Kaya no sem, time you make him wrong lo papa mama blue. Suppose you been make him wrong, long one God no kill him you die 1-2. Give you sons, long tanim bel. Tasol igat all man, usait ino tanim bel. Tasol all make him pasinongut mo. 8:11 blo Ecclesiastes. Because make him save ibir walong walk nogut. Ino kamap hariap. All sem na all pikinini man bilong all man strong in bel all geta, insight long all bilong make him pasinogut. Because make him sabi against law pasinogut ino kamapariap, all man ikisim sons lo make him nogut. Man suppose law clear, o sem God ino make him sabi 1-2, long give him sons to you, lo tanim bel. Long comeback, long luksabe long wrong blow you, luksabe lo sin blow you. tasol man inuluk sabe o sem God no kilimem day o pinisim olgeta o rausimem wantu God no bin pinisimem olgeta blong kisim back you because God like him you true. Wanem something man make him em kisim sons em make him no good mo no good emosem you miyet wrong ino God. Em by rausim olgeta displang behind long em gim inabsans long olgeta God by pinisim olgeta pa sinugot 13:11 blo Isaiah you can read him na by mi make him save longol man meri bilong dispela ground longol pa sinugot bilongol na longol man meri nogut longol sin nogut bilongol na by mi pinisim ol biket pasin bilong olman ilaik litimapim olyet na by mi downim dispela pasin bilong tingimem iwinimol arapela bilongol dispela strong pela bosman em tok blogod em no inap gyaman